So today I'm going to talk about efficient structure of a convolutional neural network. In a sense, how we can build efficient convolutional neural networks. These are mainly categorized in two categories: model design optimization and training optimization. There are a bunch of approaches on model design optimization. We'll touch on that, and there are a few approaches on training optimization, which I'll discuss about that. So these days, behind any AI task, there is a very deep neural network. And convolutional neural networks are one of the most common choices for computer vision applications. And then the key operation in this type of networks are a convolutional operation between two real value tensors. And then the elements of these operations are simple arithmetics that the problem is that there are billions of these arithmetic, like multiplication, summation, and subtractions, that makes it very difficult. And that's why we need GPU to parallelize this operation to make them faster.